There are now many more linked gadgets than there are humans on Earth. Frost and Sullivan concluded that 41.76 billion devices will be connected to the Internet of Things, IoT, solution by 2023. According to global IoT market analytics reports, predicted that the number of linked IoT devices will rise to 18.8 billion globally by the end of 2024. If you are an enterprise owner, there are significant changes you need to make to your company and develop it to adapt to 2024. Traditional techniques of implementing significant changes will no longer be effective. We need something fresh and adaptable, which is innovative technology. Many new technologies are accessible worldwide, including IoT solution or the Internet of Things, devices which have the potential to transform your organization by 2024. Many businesses employ IoT technologies to generate a decent profit. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a rapidly evolving field with significant implications for a wide range of sectors. The IoT is estimated to reach $1 trillion by the end of 2024. In this blog, we will discuss the best IoT solutions that can boost your enterprise in 2024. We will also provide further information on the Internet of Things and its solutions. How will IoT solutions impact business in 2024? IoT solution can assist enterprises in a variety of ways. Factories can monitor machinery to keep it from going down, and businesses may check their inventory right away to guarantee they don't run out of products. Using IoT solutions may help firms make better decisions and use their resources more efficiently, allowing them to remain competitive and grow. IoT solutions facilitate the gathering, analysis, and distribution of data from multiple processes, hence boosting decision-making skills. 8 top IoT solutions that can change your business in 2024. Many IoT solutions are available in real life that will change business in 2024. A few of them are discussed below. 1. Energy tracking system. Energy monitoring systems assist in tracking how much energy a business uses and if it is being used wisely. Using more energy can lead to unnecessary issues, so this system can be a helpful tool to keep track of energy use. 2. Easy lighting. Smart lighting is a key use of IoT solutions. It can help your business save energy and lower electricity bills. 3. System for watching the environment. IoT solutions create tools for monitoring the environment. These tools help you keep an eye on your business area to make sure there is not too much pollution or any dangers that could harm employees. 4. Online payment. Managing cash is very important for any organization. IoT solutions play a key role in payments because they allow for cashless or digital payments, making it easier for organizations to manage their cash flow. 5. Smart meters. Smart meters put in homes and businesses give details about how much energy is used right now and in the past. This information helps customers and utilities find ways to use energy better. 6. Connected building security. Commercial buildings might employ real-time data and automation to monitor and modify HVAC infrastructure temperature for energy efficiency and comfort as part of an IoT ecosystem. AI-powered cameras might help manage crowds and maintain public safety at huge events like sold-out concerts. 7. A smart city. Smart cities consist of traffic management and smart buildings. They may include private smart structures. Smart cities may also link to smart grids and employ environmental monitoring to form a bigger IoT ecosystem that delivers real-time views of municipal life. 8. Maintenance prediction. One of the most common uses of IoT is to monitor machine health and predict service needs. Airplanes, mining equipment, production lines, and domestic appliances employ sensors. These sensors capture, store, and send performance data that may be evaluated to identify maintenance needs and poor performance. Advantages of the top IoT solutions for businesses in 2024. IoT solutions provide many great advantages for business growth strategies. Some important benefits of IoT solutions are listed below. Better work output. Using IoT technology and automation made the organization more productive. With automation system there is less manual work and fewer mistakes. The workers can handle the most important job, which saves time and increases productivity. 1. Safety. Most businesses keep their data stored online, which is usually safe. However, it can sometimes be at risk from cyber attacks. The IoT system provides a strong security layer that prevents cyber attacks. 2. Best use of assets. By using IoT in their business plans, companies can easily keep an eye on their assets. This helps use the business assets better, leading to more efficient work. 3. Increased revenue. Using IoT helps make better use of resources and boosts productivity, which leads to higher profits. More money coming in helps to build a strong and big business. Problems with IoT solutions. There are some user issues with using IoT in business. Some user-faced challenges are listed below. Using IoT in business costs a lot of money, so it requires a lot of funds to use this technology, which not everyone can afford. This can be a problem. Connecting with other systems is not always easy because it takes time to adjust. This can sometimes delay work until the integration is done correctly. In summary, you can use IoT in your business if you have the skills, but you should check every activity often. In the future, IoT technology will grow, which could help many industries around the world.